Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the exact URL that appears in Google search results. Capture screenshots and save the page as a PDF for your records. Decide whether the content is personal data, copyrighted material, defamation, or simply outdated. Check whether the page is on a site you control or a third-party domain. If the page is on your domain, plan to delete or update it directly. If it is on another site, prepare documentation to support a removal request. If the page is deleted or changed, use Google's Remove Outdated Content tool to request reindexing. Site owners should use Google Search Console temporary removals to hide URLs for 90 days. For copyright violations, file a DMCA takedown request through Google's legal forms. For defamation or privacy, submit a legal removal request with clear documentation. Google typically reviews legal removal requests and may respond within about 10 business days. After submitting requests, contact the website owner and ask for permanent removal or modification. If you control the site, delete the page and block crawling with robots. TXT or a noindex tag. Use Search Console to request a recrawl once changes are live. Monitor search results weekly for up to 12 weeks to confirm removal or deindexing. If removal does not occur, consult legal counsel about court orders or additional legal remedies. Maintain clear records of all communications and submissions for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.